Gorilla's face broke out from allergy. Bananas, in fact. Okay. Okay, so first is broke out an deletion indicator and gorilla's face. So kailangan natin kunin yung first letter ng gorilla which is G. And tatanggalin natin yung letter G sa word na allergy. So, allergy. Y. Allergy. Then, feel ko ang bananas is an anagram indicator. I don't know why. Pero kasi pag inarrange natin ang allergy into really, I guess is the definition of in fact. Let's check. Correct. Okay, so madali lang to kasi 1 par lang. So, bawi kahapon na 4 par. Bye.